Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the next reagent, that is the silver carbonate. This reagent is important for the oxidation of the alcohol to the carbonyl groups. Remember that it will oxidize the alcohol to the carbonyl group. This silver carbonate, it is introduced by the King et al. And this is the selective oxidizing agent. Remember that this reagent is very selective for the oxidation. And this is the mild and neutral oxidizing agent. The oxidation strength of the silver carbonate is similar to the manganese dioxide, and remember that it is soluble in the six different solvents. Here you can see that benzene is present, toluene is present, xylene is present, chloroform is present, dichloromethane is present, and the ethers are present. This reagent is soluble in all these solvents. So, the oxidation capacity of the silver carbonate is isolated during the oxidation of the codeine, and this is the highly selective oxidation reagent. Now we will see the reactivity order. The benzyl is most reactive, then the allyl, then the secondary alcohol, and then the primary alcohol is oxidized. So this is the reactivity order for the silver carbonate. The oxidation takes place from the sterically less hindered phase. It will oxidize from the sterically less hindered phase. And the most important point of the silver carbonate is that the 1,4 or the 1,5 diols react with silver carbonate. It will give the esters or it will give the lactones. This is the most important point. When the 1,4 or 1,5 diols react with the silver carbonate, it will give the lactones or the ester. The oxidation strength of the silver carbonate is similar to the manganese dioxide. Now we will see some general reaction for this reagent. This is the secondary alcohol. Silver carbonate is present over the arrow. So when the secondary alcohol is treated with the silver carbonate, we will get the ketone as a product. Here you can see that the carbon dioxide is present also, and the water is present as a byproduct in the reaction. Now we will see the mechanism for this reaction. The mechanism is the absorption mechanism with the electron transfer reaction. In the case of manganese dioxide, the mechanism is only the absorption mechanism, but here you can see that the absorption mechanism with the electron transfer reaction. Now this is the surface of the silver carbonate, and here you can see that the alcohol group is present. The lone pair of electron is attacked over this positive silver atom. Here you can see that. So this silver atom get neutralized. Here you can see that the positive charge is present over the silver atom. Now only one electron is transferred from the alcohol to this silver atom. So there will be a positive charge present over this oxygen atom. Now this CH bond get break. Remember that this CH bond get break, and the bonding electron present between the hydrogen and oxygen are transferred to this oxygen atom. One electron which is present here will neutralize this positive charge, and one electron is remain as it is, and then after this electron and this extra electron get pair up, and we will have the ketone in the product. So here you can see that this hydrogen and this hydrogen get shifted towards this carbonyl group. So here you can see that the carbonyl group is present. Two hydrogens present over this carbonate group, and this is the silver atom is present, which is now neutral, and in here you can see that the ketone is present as a product. Now we will see some applications of the silver carbonate. Here you can see that the two alkyl groups are present. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4 diols is present in the substrate. So when the 1, 4 or the 1, 5 diols is present, the product will be lactones. So here there will be a formation of the lactones or the formation of the ester. In the second example, here you can see that the high molecular weight substrate is present, and here on the arrow you can see that the silver carbonate is present and the silytes is present. The silite is act as an activator for the silver carbonate. It is a sand type material which is present in the reaction medium. Now you can see that the two alkyl groups are present here, this alkyl groups and this alkyl group, but it selectively reduced this alkyl group. Why? Because here you can see that there will be a two methyl groups. There is a two methyl groups is present. One is above the plane and one is the below the plane. So here there will be a more steric crowding, but here the less steric crowding is present. And as I earlier said, the oxidation takes place from sterically less hindered side. So here this alcohol get oxidized, and here the formation of ketone will be carried is present. Here 1,4 alcohol is 1,4 diol is present, and it will get oxidized and the lactams are formed. In the next video we will study about the open air oxidation.